Good morning, good afternoon, good night, depend on when you are watching me and where you are watching me from. You are welcome to Pattern Drafting with Lina. Today we are going to be drafting, cutting and sewing a shirt. So this is the fabric we are going to be using. This is calico, this is our thread, this is our ruler, and this is our pattern drafting. Without any delay, let's jump into the class. So I've gone ahead to rule my top line. This is my top line, this is my center back line, and this is for the buttonhole. So let's proceed. After our top line, the next thing we are going to be inputting is our point O line. If you are confused or you don't know what point O is, please check my video on how to draft a basic body. We are using a simplified bodice for this one. So for this person I'm drafting for, her point O is 3 cm. Her point O is 3 cm. This is our point O. This is our top line. So the next thing we are going to be putting is our shoulder line. Shoulder line is also 3 cm, and this 3 cm is standard. Please, if you are confused on the kind of pattern I'm using, just check my pattern on how to draft a basic body and simplify bodies. This is the Natalie Gray method, and we are using centimeter, not inches. So we'll be using small inches, small part of inches tape though, but for now we are making use of our centimeter. So the next I will be inputting is her bust line. I hope you can see me very well. Let me turn it this way. The next we will be inputting is her bust line, and our bust line is 21 cm. So we are starting from our top line to pull the 21 cm, and this 21 cm we are going to square up to our center front. This is our bust line. So I'm going to be checking what I have for my top line to the bust line, which is 24 centimeter. Like I said, you are welcome to Pattern Drafting with Lina. If this is your first time of seeing me, please don't forget to like and share our videos. Please also subscribe to this channel. It's been a while, but now we are fully back. Promise to be dropping videos, tutorial videos on this channel every week. If there's anything that you don't understand, you can drop it in the comment section. So this is her bust line. Bust line. The next thing we'll be inputting is our waistline, her nape to waistline. Her nape to waistline, and her nape to waist is 40 cm. 40 cm. Starting from our point O to input the 40 cm. And we are going to square it up to the center front. All the way to the center front. her waistline, her nape to waistline. The next thing will be her hip depth. Her hip depth, that is also known as hip line. Our hip depth is 23 cm, and we are starting from our waistline to impute this 23 cm. We are going to square it up to the center front too. Let me bring this closer so that you can see it very well. This is our hip line. I hope you can see it. Her bust line, her waistline, and her hip line. So the next thing we are going to be imputing is her cross back line. And to get her cross back line, we have to get the midpoint of our point O to our bust line. From our point O to our bust line is 21, which means the midpoint will be 10.5 cm. We are not squaring this one to center front. So it's just, this is our crossed back line, where our cross back is. Prepare our cross back, also SB. So the next thing will be to impute our armhole construction line for the back. And to impute our armhole construction line, we are going to be putting half of our cross back through the center front on this. This is our shoulder line. Let me look at it so that you can see it. This is our shoulder line. Shoulder line. We are going to be putting half of our cross back to the shoulder line, our cross back line, and the bust line. And our cross back measurement is 38, which means half of it is 19. Can you see? Half of our cross back is 19 cm. So we are going to square up. The next thing now is to put her neck width. Her neck width is 7 cm on the point O line. That is where we are going to be putting the neck width, and we are going to be going up by 12 cm. On this shoulder line, we are going to be coming out by 2 cm. We'll move away by 2 cm from the shoulder line on the armhole construction line. Then we move down from the across back line by 3 cm. I see the way I'm leveling. Then on the bust line, from the armhole construction line, we are going to apply her backup. Our backup is 5.5 cm. 5.5 cm. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then we will be applying our angle 45 on that backup line on the armhole construction line. We are going to be taking our angle 45 from there. We just need only 3 cm. 3 cm. The 3 cm is to make sure that our armhole is not too deep and is not too high. This is where we have the 3 cm. Now we are going to be connecting our neck width to the shoulder tip to form our shoulder slope. This is our shoulder slope. You see? We are going to be connecting from the shoulder tip now to the backup. passing down this 3 cm down from their cross back and the 3 cm at the end, 45. This is what we are going to do now. I hope you can see it very well. Let me use my marker to highlight it. What it looks like. Let me turn this closer so that we see what it looks like. So now we are going down to the hip line. So we are going down to the hip line, and we are going to be applying quarter over hip plus 1.5. So quarter over hip plus 1.5 cm is 27 cm. So we will square off from the hip line to the back up on the bust line. This is what it's looking like. This is back. This back pattern. Now we are moving to the front. We are almost to the back. Now we are moving to the front. I hope you can see the line for the button. I left 2 inches here. 2 inches from the selvedge of this paper. I go in with 2 inches. That is for my buttonhole. So let me fold it in so that it will not confuse you. You can do this directly on your fabric, but I prefer doing it on my pattern paper so that when I'm cutting, it will be very, very easy for you. I'll fold it in. So the next thing I will be doing now is to apply the front point hole. Our front point hole is 5 cm. Our front point hole is 5 cm. Sorry for that. This is our front point hole. Also a shoulder line for the front. So the next we are going to be putting now is a neck width equivalent to the same back neck width, 7 cm. We're going to be making a square with that 7 cm, which is our neck. So now we'll be taking the measurements I have on my shoulder at the back. I have 15 cm. I'll be putting the 15 cm down to the front. This is where it stops. So I'll be making my shoulder slope to end at that place. This is a front shoulder slope. You can see it. So the next will be to get her crossed chest line where her crossed chest will be sitting. So we are going to move up from our bust line by 4 cm. Move up from your bust line by 4 cm. This one is standard for everybody. 24 cm to get where your across chest line, where her across chest will be sitting. I hope you can see me very well. Now through my center front, this is my center front, I'll be going in with half of her cross chest. Our cross chest is 36, which means half of it is 18 cm. 18 cm. I will be applying it on that top line, on that contour line, also on the across chest line and on the bust line to square them now. Square the line. That is her front armhole construction line. That is her armhole construction line for front. Now I will be taking the measurements I have on the back pattern. I have 24.5. I will be putting that exactly 24.5 on the bust line front. Then I will be taking 45 for the front. Taking the same 3 cm I took for the back. So now I'll be connecting my armhole. You can see it. This is the front. I hope you can see it very well. This is the front. Hope you can see it. Down to the hip line, I will be putting the same 27.5 for the back. That is quarter over hip plus 1.5. That is what I will be putting down to. Then I will square up from the hip line to the bust line. Hope you can see what I have here. I hope you can see it. So now we are going to do the waist shaping. Quarter over waist plus 2 cm. I'm okay with quarter over waist plus 2 cm. And quarter over waist plus 2 cm will give me 19 cm. So through my center front, I will be putting down 19 cm. The same thing through my center back, I will be putting down 19 cm. Now I will be doing the shaping. Let me turn this paper the way you are going to be seeing it. So if you can see it. So I'll connect from this bust line to the waistline this way. Connect this way. Then I will use my hip curve. Before then I will move up from my hip line by 5 cm. 5 cm is okay. Then I will use my hip curve. Curve this way. You can see it. This is it. This is it. So this is my buttonhole allowance. Hope you can see it. Buttonhole allowance 2 inches. Buttonhole's allowance. You see? So I will be cutting now with my paper scissors so that I will proceed to cutting on the fabric.
Because we go win, you go know. A lot of blessings follow my yard. Blessings follow my yard. Ngozi, I like a lot. You go be careful, you go feel because the blessings follow my yard. Oh. Blessings follow my yard. Oh. That's why I sit there by me. I don't wanna reason back this no more. I don't wanna go back the way I did before. Yeah, when I'm so poor, because don't stress me while I sit there by me. I don't wanna reason back friends no more. I don't wanna go back to friends you like whoa. Yeah, when I'm so poor, because don't stress me. Onye dosi okwu ka ndị iwe ka nkụ ezi enyi dị ụkọchukwu obiọma zọba mụ maka isi mgbaka ịmara na ife alụmụ na-achọ bụkwa ezigbo oringo make nobody come to spoil my enjoyment yo iwe onye iwe n'ọdụ nke yo that's why I sit there by me I don't wanna reason back this no more I don't wanna go back the way I did before when I'm so poor because don't stress me while I sit there by me I don't wanna reason bad friends no more. I don't
So I've gone ahead and pinned down the back pattern so that we add our sewing allowances. So at the neck area, I'll be putting 1 cm to join it with the collar. Then for the shoulder slope, I will also be putting 1 cm. 1 cm is okay. Then to the side, I will be putting 5 cm. 5 cm down to the hip area. I'm okay with 5 cm. To the hem area, let me bring it closer so that you can see it. To the hem area, I will also be putting, I'm okay with 3 cm. For the folding, I'm okay with 3 cm. I'm not piping it or the folding it, I'll be hemming it. So I'm okay with 3 cm here. The hem area of the shirt. So, what you can see at the armhole area too, I'm okay with 1 cm. I'm okay with 1 cm. I hope you can see it too. Cutting things. Back pattern. It's okay. So I'll proceed to the front now. So the front, I've gone ahead to pin it down. So let's mark the sewing allowance too. 1 cm is okay for the neck area too. I'm okay with 1 cm. See? Then with color. Shoulder, 1 cm is okay too. Same way we did for the back. 1 cm is okay. For the pulse area, the same 5 cm we added to the back. Let me bring it closer. The same 5 cm we added to the back. That's what we are going to add into the front too. To the hemline, to the hem area, the same 3 cm we added to the back is okay for the front too. And to the armhole area, the same 1 cm we added for the back is okay too for the front. So I'm going to cut it. And for here, I'm not adding anything again. I will cut it exactly like that. I've added this with my buttonhole. So I'm not adding anything to that area. 2 inches. Equivalent to 5 cm. That's what I use for my buttonhole allowance. You can use more than that if you want, but I'm okay with 2 inches. I always work with 2 inches now. It's okay. Let me show you where I'm going to be cutting this, you see? Exactly where my pattern paper is. I'm not adding anything to that again. Cut it off exactly like that. Then I like to give it a notch. I like to pick it with the pattern paper too and give it a notch here so that by the time I'm folding and iron, I will know that that is exactly where I'm supposed to fold in. So we are done with the cutting. Okay, we are going to be drafting the collar. Let's draft the collar. We are going to be drafting the collar. I've gone ahead to measure my neck width for both front and the back, and it's giving me 20 cm, which means in all together it will be 40. So here will be the center back. This is my starting point. So I will be taking my 20 cm. This is without allowance, without swaying allowance. I'm taking my 20 cm this way. Okay. Then I will square up. So the first I will be drafting will be my collar stand. My collar stand, and I'm okay with 2 inches. 2 inches is okay for me. And I want a straight collar stand. I don't want the curvy type. I want my collar stand straight, which means no design. Collar stand. 2 inches. Then I'll move away to have a space for my collar itself. I'm okay. So just to move away from my collar stand so I can draft my collar itself. So I will also make my collar 2 inches. 2 inches. This is my collar. But I want my collar to be 1 inch shorter than the collar stand. So I will be coming in from the center front. This is the center front. center front, center front. I will come in by 1 inch to now slant it this way to give it that shape. This is my collar, this is my collar stand. Let me close it so that you can see. By the time I'm done making my collar stand will be 1 inch longer than my collar set. This is how it will be looking like. This is what it will look like. I hope you can see it. This is what it looks like. My collar stand will be 1 inch longer than my collar itself. Look at it. Let me press it down. My collar stand will be 1 inch longer than my collar. So I will be cutting, and I will be cutting two of this and 2 of this. Let me cut it out so that we cut on fabric and proceed to sewing. I'm still thinking of the sleeve to use, whether to make short sleeve or to make a sleeve. Before I'll be through with the shirt, I will decide. So this is it. This is my collar stand and this is my collar. I hope you can see it very well. So before we finish with the sewing, I will decide whether to use the sleeve or to use the short sleeve. Like I said, this is pattern drafting with Lena. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't waste time. Subscribe to my channel. This is collar, this is the shirt itself. Let's proceed to sewing. I've gone ahead to place our collar on the fabric and I've applied sewing allowances. I added 1 cm to the top and to the down and 2 cm to the side. So I will be cutting now so we can sew fast. So I'm done cutting. I need to take them to the ironing table now to put interfacing. So I'll be right back.